morning, children. So, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. Welcome back to PN Amasi e-learning classes. Let's start with the moral science subject, and today we will learn poem number 1, that is Nature School. So, children, what is nature? God made things are called nature. The things which are made by the God, that is called nature. For example, earth, sun, trees, clouds, moon and stars, mountains, etc. They all are made by God, and it is given to us to enjoy the natural things on earth. So, what is nature? God made things are called nature. So, children, you all must be having your moral science textbook. So, we will start with the poem number 1, Nature School. The impartial sun shines on all, whether rich or poor. We learn to shine and share our love even with wrongdoers. So, children, here the impartial sun shines on all means that the sun is neutral to all the people on the earth, whether they are rich or poor. We learn to shine and share our love. From the sun, what we learn? We learn to shine. As the sun shines and it shares its love to all the people. So we also learn to shine and we share our love to all the people. We should be also neutral to the people, whether they are rich or poor, even with wrongdoers. What is the meaning of wrongdoers? The people who have hurt us, we should not hurt them back. But just like the sun, the impartial sun, as the sun is showing its love towards all the people, whether they are rich or poor, same thing we have to do it. Whether the people have hurt us, but still we have to share our love. Trees are bright and cheerful, adding to people's joy, spread happiness like flowers to the lives of girls and boys. So, children, you have seen many different kind of trees, and when we see the trees, they look bright and cheerful, and they add the joy in our lives. So, when we see the trees, it looks bright and cheerful, and they add the joy and happiness in our lives. Even the flowers, they spread the happiness in our lives. So, here the poem says that trees are bright and cheerful, adding to the people's joy. And what do flowers do? They spread the happiness in the lives of boys and girls. Clouds are dark in the sky, moving here and there. They give us lovely rain when we need it here. So, children, our next nature beauty is clouds. You have seen the clouds when they are in the sky? Yes. You all must have seen the clouds. What is the color of the clouds? It is dark. So, when there is rain, you see the clouds, they are moving here and there in the sky. And what the clouds, dark clouds do? They give us lovely rain. When we need the rain, the clouds, they give us rain. The moon and the stars which shine at night, in that still darkness, they give us light. So, children, here the moon and the stars. Now, you all must have seen the moon and stars also. What they do at night? They shine. When it is dark, they give us the light. Strong mountains and generous rivers are all parts of nature's school. Thank you, God, for giving us this wisdom pool. So, children, you must have seen the mountains. The mountains, they are strong, and also the rivers, they are generous. Why they are generous? Because they give their water to drink to all the people on the earth and even the animals also. The impartial sun, the sun gives rays to all the people on the earth, whether they are rich or poor. Same thing, rivers also, they are so generous that they give water to drink to all the people on this earth, whether they are rich or poor. So, children, we should thank God that God has given us such a natural thing, sun. The sun shines and it shares the love on all the people on this earth. Trees, they are bright and cheerful. They give us flowers and fruits. Clouds, they give us rain. Moon and stars, they shine at night and give us light. Mountain and rivers, they give us the water to drink. So for all these things we should thank God. So we have completed the poem. Now you have to write this poem in your Moral Science CW book. You have to make the CW book, Moral Science CW, and you just write this poem in your book. So children, we will meet in our next video with the chapter number 2. Till then, stay safe and God bless you all.